Today I'm back with, I'm hanging out with Caleb, and Kevin the Vapist is here.
Vapist.
And yeah, and we're gonna put a boost gauge in, I mean not boost gauge, we did that last time. We put that boost gauge in his car. We're putting a boost controller in his car today.
Oh no.
It's not doing anything.
Yeah, it's like just diffusing straight away. Okay, a vlog. Fabulous.
And Dylan Spaggy takes girls under the Gateway Bridge on his first date.
We're fucking rally car. Put it in rear wheel drive, you faggot. What are you doing? Oh,
Can't even drift properly, bro.
Holy fuck. There's just too much grip, but as soon as you get to the strip. 0.6 miles. Boys, that vlog.
His camera there.
Everyone meet Kevin.
Hey.
He's new.
Pretty old news, I reckon.
Your fucking camera.
He's
I'm gonna film for you, cunts.
typical Wynnum junkie trying to steal my camera. Alright, this is what we're putting into Caleb's car.
Well, sort of. This is also what we're putting in.
Yeah, and that bit as well.
This bit goes in the engine bay. It's gonna look dead factory again because it's all black. We're so good at making mods look factory. What do I do? How I'm gonna mount this down in here.
Where do you want to put this?
Well,
Yeah, there's more room on this side.
try it there.
That's not enough room. This side fits perfect.
And if cops come up to me, it's like hidden, they can't see it.
You hear that, cops? It's hidden.
It's hidden, you can't see it.
Yeah, Caleb did want to put this right over here, but it's not going to fit. So we're going to put it up over here. It's pretty hard to see from where you are, but looks pretty tidy once it's there. This is the boost gauge we put in last week with the controller. And then it's going to be so quick to do this part. We've already got the lines done up. So
Yeah, we've already got the lines done from the failed boost T install.
Yeah, this does not work.
From last video, it literally doesn't.
You can't even hear it click.
Literally, oh hold on, I'm darkening it down a little bit.
Does not.
Yeah. I feel like I should have.
You still got food in your beard.
Really?
Yeah, saving some for later.
Where?
Down there.
Get it out for him.
Where?
Little bits.
Get it out like a bird, like a baby bird. Fuck nigger, pussy, faggot, Muslim cock.
Can you hold that?
Cunt and squirt moist.
Oh yeah.
One beer coming up. No, a coffee. Beer. Coffee. Beer.
Look.
Oh, no. Go. Oh. Fucking dribbler. Look at him go. Oh, not in the pot plant, you idiot.
Yeah. Oh, it's like not even gonna plan.
Oh, it's not even beer anymore, just froth. You know lemonade is better than any beer ever made.
Sorry, Mum. I'm stealing another one of your coat hangers. I stole one last week too, and I lost that one that we cut, so I'm stealing a new one. Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, sick lad.
I want to be black so bad, man. I'm trying so hard.
Give us a little rap.
You doing a party rap?
Yeah.
Party rap.
It's your spin-off from a party.
Do it.
I can feel the bugs.
I can feel the bugs.
What the fuck is that?
One of our songs.
Oh.
Come on.
Like, if just collecting dust, I'll take it off your hands. But if
Yeah,
you
it's literally just collecting. Like you can take it.
And if
Kevin
you-
wants my scooter.
like, if you spend some money on it,
He
I'll.
genuinely wants my scooter.
Like, is it a razor scooter?
Yeah, it's like the proper like Razor Pro.
Can we do like a little trick montage on it as well?
Let's get this scooter. Oh yeah, when you ride. Just get the bitch you want.
Alright, so we're
Let's stop.
ripping apart Caleb's dash. And
Something's stuck and it won't let me pull the dash out very far.
I don't know, it was clipped on there pretty good before. And then we're just gonna steal the wires from the radio down here.
We haven't even pulled the wires through yet.
Yeah, like we'll do that in a second. But
Should we put the wires in first and then pull them through or not? What do you reckon?
I'll do it at the same time as you. But we're gonna steal the ignition power wire from the radio here, and then we're just gonna ground it to something metal behind there.
We'll just put them thinking.
The hardest part is we have to try and get the wires through the firewall, come up in here, but yeah, there's no room.
Yeah, we're gonna...
Screw the brake.
There you go.
Time only.
Last one.
You got it!
Yeah! Show us your best scooter trick. Yeah.
Bullshit, you were born on a scooter. You've got that scooter build.
360.
Well, you did it. Almost. Bit of frustration over here.
Can't get this stupid thing in.
He can't get that stupid thing in. Fucking hell. I'm missing all these gnarly tricks.
We're not going to be done till like 9 o'clock at night.
Oh, that was a trick. Did you see that?
I got that.
We're not going to be done till like 10 o'clock again.
Are you serious?
Last time it took us ages and we weren't even dicking around this much.
I probably can't sail like 10. Like.
Fresh.
Yes.
Let's try to do it first try.
He just keeps spinning and he just like hovers in the air.
Ready?
Takes off.
Like a drone. Almost. Wait, that was... Nice!
Oh, I rolled my ankle so hard.
You fucking pussy faggot. Well, I got the hectic bail though. Well, your ass is like...
Sweaty?
Oh, I thought it was grease. Oh yeah, it's like sweaty, yeah.
Yeah. It's like all the sweat from my back just like sort of leaks down into my pants, man. It's wild. I hurt my ankle real bad, eh? It's already swollen.
I got all that. Hey, where'd Jamie go? Oh, he's over there. Jamie!
And with my foot like on the brake. That's so bad.
Jamie, you faggot.
Your turn. Alright, so now we're back. We're trying to stick this wire through there, which is actually like the hardest part of the whole job. So we can pull the wires through up to there. I'll be taping that to the coat hanger here and pulling it back through. So I've taped all that up. I'm going to get Caleb, he's on the engine bay side, he's going to pull that back through. There's the big plug in there.
I'll grab the pliers, it'll probably give me a feeling.
So the hardest part of this whole thing is pulling this wire through. Right
well,
there.
for me it'd be actually wiring it up, but lucky I got you here. Hang on.
Yeah.
Can do that.
The wiring's really simple, it's just a couple of wires, so we're going to just put it in temporary before we put everything back on to kind of make sure it all works. So the wiring's pretty simple, just going to splice into this one, which is ignition power to the radio, and then we'll just probably put the other one for the boost gauge, Defi gauge there, just screws onto the side of this. We'll probably just link it up to that as well. We're going to check to see that it all works okay before we tidy it all up and tuck it behind there and stick the actual controller up here once Caleb puts the battery back on.
Oh yeah,
What's
boy.
happening?
Yes, boy. What? It keeps going back up.
What are you doing?
I don't know, it keeps going back up, like goes 13.7, 13.8. Now it's gone back down to 13.7. Is it even going to let me go down
It's
far?
probably like Are you sure? What are you doing? Are you crazy?
Dude, it doesn't go lower than 13.5.
Looks like I reckon put the gear knob on and test it. What do you reckon?
No, I don't know, I'm scared, man.
Pussy. Everything's good up in here. So we just put it in temporary and we're going to take Caleb's car for a quick run just to see if it kind of works how we think it should. Caleb's scared though, he thinks we're going to blow up his car.
I am scared, man. We have like no idea how to work this thing.
This could go... while Caleb's stuffing around the engine bay moving where the solenoid is, I'm going to just tidy up on the inside and stick it on with double-sided tape. So I'm just going to stick Caleb's controller up there on the dash. Can't really hold the light, film and do it at the same time, so I'll show you after. It's hard to see, but I've stuck it up there and I'm just going to put his dash back together now. We're all done. So we've got it all in now. Caleb's playing around with it. You can't see anything on it, it's just white. But that's the gauge we put in last week as well.
Which you didn't film.
Yeah, I didn't film well.
No, that wasn't the gauge that you didn't film well. That was camber arms.
Oh yeah, I didn't film the...
You just didn't even try.
I didn't film the gauge at all.
Yeah, you just didn't even try. You're so slack.
Yeah.
So no slack.
Well, that's everything for today, I think.
Oh, you're not coming out for a quick pull?
Oh, I might come have a quick look.
We'll go do one highway pull and then run home.
Alright. Well, that's all we're doing then. We're just gonna go test it. I'll show you a video of that and then I'll see you next time.